Want to know how to create an avatar in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application. And once I've done that, you should be provided with the interface of its ads. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu right here. So you can just simply select it and then your menu tabs will open up. So once you have set your menu right here, you should see various options. Right here, you should be seeing settings on top as well. So just simply select settings and then just simply scroll a little bit down until you see avatars. So it should be right on our preferences. Right here, you should be seeing avatar. So just simply select avatar. And now in order to create an avatar, you should be seeing make your avatar if you don't have any. So just simply select make your avatar and it should load your avatar. So you can just simply click a photo to make your avatar or just simply create manually from your skin tones, face shapes and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you create an avatar in Facebook. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.